Hi, I'm Amy from IBJI, and today I'm going to be introducing neutral pelvis. This is a position where you want to start for all of your abdominal work, okay? So neutral pelvis can be found by placing the heels of your hands on your hip bones in the front, and your fingertips will rest right above your pubic symphysis where your pelvis comes together, okay? Those 3 points should be on the same plane, okay? And Corey and Andrew are doing a great job of demonstrating this. If you guys want to demonstrate a posterior tilt, could you do that for me? That's basically where your pelvis would tip backward. Sometimes if we squeeze our butts too much, that happens and the back flattens into the ground, okay? That is not an optimal place to do your abdominal work, okay? Nor is letting everything go and letting the pelvis tip forward, okay? A good visual to help you maintain this position is to pretend like you have a glass of water sitting in the middle of the triangle, making sure that it doesn't spill toward your face or between your legs. Okay, a couple of other things you'll want to remember while you're doing your abdominal work is to keep the rib cage heavy into the ground. Just make sure your ribs aren't thrusting forward, that your rib cage is pressing gently into the ground, okay, and that you're not squeezing your butt. It can be engaged, but if it squeezes too much, your abdominals will not fire as appropriately as they should, okay? And this is going to be your starting point for all of your following abdominal work.